Okay, next we're going to put the takedown lever back. To do that, let's start by inserting the spring for the detent in this little hole below the big hole. Then we're going to insert the detent. The pointed end, there's a pointed end and a flat end. The flat end goes into the frame. Pointed end faces up, away from the frame. Let me go get that real quick. So I dropped it in the wrong hole like an idiot. There you go. Okay, so just insert it like that. Not like that. There you go. There it's in. And it's spring loaded, right? So now we are going to insert the takedown lever. And the takedown lever actually goes in like this, with this end facing up. Okay. And then now you have to depress this detent. So what I like to do is I like to take something flat, like a X-Acto knife, slide this under. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a better angle on that. Oops, I got the detent flying out again like a dummy. Sorry guys. So let's try that again. The spring is still in there, so just be careful. So again, depress that pin. Use your other finger to start to move the pin. And you see what I did there? My razor blade is still under the detent pin. And then there, it pops into place. It's locked in. Make sure that's working, which it is. And that's how you put on your takedown lever on your P88.